all deserve this kind of event. Yeah.
Yes. At yung deserve na, sabi nga ni Mayor Joy, yung pagsuot nyo ng hikaw, paglalagay ng check eyeliner.
Ano,
Yan, ganyan. Okay.
We request our principals, Mayor Joy Belmonte, Khaled Karen Henson, our district action